Good day, YouTube! Happy holidays to you all. So, unbox tayo ng regalo ng aking baby girl. Okay, it was delivered 24th. Just so happen na I'm out of town. So, buksan na natin. Okay. Okay. Looks nice. Kapila naman. It's the other side. Okay. So what's inside? Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So this is Adidas NMD. Was ordered from Adidas PH. So nice. Actually, NMD it's been around for how many years na ba, but still like this. Looks nice. All original NMD. Size 12, which is 12 and a half US, 12 UK. So right about my size. See the other one? Nice. Looks nice. Really nice. So excellent siya for driving because it's not that thick. Sole, I mean the yung swelas niya. So yep. Thanks to my girlfriend for giving me this gift this holiday season. So yep. Boost. Yep, really nice. So yep, that's it. Short video. And yep. Thank you guys for watching and happy holidays. Bye now, guys. Thank you.